Welcome to Lego Monday, everyone. Been saving this one for a few months. I picked it up a while back. Independence Day being tomorrow, 4th of July to the rest of the world, is a Lady Liberty, Statue of Liberty. It's like a custom gold torch thing there. Only 150 pieces, so it should be a pretty quick build. 153 pieces, so it should be a quick build. It's got all the other statues of Liberty around the world here on the side. Paris, Japan, and New York. But, yeah. Statue de la Liberté. But anyway, that's going to be today's project. Like I said, I've been holding on to this one just to do around the 4th / Independence Day. Gonna be a hot one around here, I think. A stormy one maybe, but got the green bricks. Well, 4 bags. And a base plate. Got not a super chunky book, but anyway, there. I'm gonna, as usual, if you don't know, I null these out and use high speed to build it up, and hopefully I can find some maybe semi-patriotic music to put behind it this today. I'll just see what the license-free stuff is available to me. But anyways, I'll talk to you again at the end. Okay, there we go. Obviously, if you weren't paying attention, I did goof up on the internal structure there. Those should be staggered. And I did them backwards on the first row, so I wasn't going to disassemble them to do the whole thing again. So they'll just have to be a little bit of a weak point there. Everything else is tied together good. It's just this back one that's not secured really. But other than that, I like it. I think it came across good. I like the, it's a fair representation. It's got her tablet about the weak and weary huddled masses and golden torch that they put up in, I think it was 86 they put that on. 84, 86. Maybe in 88. I remember when they replaced the flame. Let's see that. Yeah. But yeah, I think that's cool. That's a nice representation over. Lay delivery's looking good. And so I still enjoy these brickhead builds. Oh, I put one on upside down. Get her crown correct. And I think they're all sort of fun. I've got a few more in the hopper lined up, but I think I've got an order out now. I don't know if it'll be in by next week or not, but and I've got but like I said, I've got plenty to do before even if it doesn't. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. There's plenty more to go where this started. There's plenty more to go yet. For all the Americans, have a good Independence Day. For everybody else, just have a good day. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye.